Hey everyone, this is Rajendran here, and in this video tutorial we are going to discuss about how to configure Metatrader 4 platform to do algorithmic trading using Algomojo platform. So Metatrader 4 is going to generate signals using the expert advisor, and the orders we are going to fire in the Algomojo platform. So for example, what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to open this expert advisor. So MT4 supports something called expert advisor. You can drag and drop this expert advisor, and what you can do is that you can configure the moving average period here and then moving average shift, and you press OK. Automatically you can see that the moving average expert advisor name would be obviously coming over here with an smiley option, which is not smiling. That at this point of time, that means the algo is not enabled. In order to enable the algo, right, so what you have to do here is that you have to go and click on this auto trading. That means now the auto trading is on. You can see that it's turning into a green color option. If in case if you want to disable it, you just stop the algo. Automatically the algo will not get fired the orders. So right now I'm enabling the algorithmic trading orders, but right now this will not send the automated orders to the Indian brokers because as of now it is not configured for Indian markets yet. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to explain the procedure how to configure with Algomojo platform. So first what we have to do here is, let me go and get you the procedure here. So these are the procedures you have to follow to configure Metatrader with Algomojo for automation. Number one, you have to go and download the multi-platform, multi-broker bridge from Algomojo. So, and then after that, you have to go and install the bridge and copy the MT4 DLL bridge, MT4 bridge.dll to the respective MT4 library folder. That's what I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to tell you the steps, how you can make use of the steps 1 and 2. So that you can go and download and install in that respective MT4 folder. All right, let's go and check out the bridge, how to install the bridge. In order to do that, what you have to do is, let me pull up the browser here. So I'm pulling the browser here. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to the Algomojo blog here, where there are installation guidelines has been mentioned how to download this multi-broker bridge code. So there is an installation guidelines for multi-platform and multi-broker execution modules. Click on this link, and from here you can go and download straight away the multi-broker execution module. And once you download with that, automatically you can go and install it. In my case, I had already installed this multi-broker multi-platform bridge. At this point of time, it supports brokers like TradeGenie, Alice Blue, Zebu, and Enrich. So using this bridge, you can connect to MT4 platform or even MT5 platforms as well. Simultaneously, you can send from multiple platforms to multiple brokers, or single broker or multiple broker, how many ever broker you want. All the Algomojo supported partner brokers you can connect, and you can send automated orders via the bridge. So in my case, the installation is already done. If you want to follow the installation procedure, there is an video tutorial is there. You can go and check out the video tutorial, and you can simply follow the process. So once the installation is done, the installation will be installed. The entire AM bridge will be installed under the C drive Windows AM bridge folder. So let me go to that particular folder here. So I'll go to the C drive, I'll go to the Windows, and I'll go to the AM bridge. So inside the AM bridge, you have to go to the MT4, and you have to copy these two files, AM MT4 bridge.dll, and then the other supporting DLL as well. Copy this DLL, and once you're done with that, open your Metatrader platform. So from the Metatrader platform, go to File, Open Data folder. So this will open the data folder containing all your MT4 indicators, MT4 libraries, everything you can see it from here. Now go to the MQL4 folder. Under that, go to the library section, paste the files which we copied from the MT4 bridge location. Now with this, the MT4 bridge installation is complete. So we had done with the part 1 and part 2 of the steps. Now right now the next step is in configuring the expert advisor. This is where the comes into the little bit of coding part over here. You have to add the Algomojo coding functions to send orders from Metatrader 4 indicator, our Metatrader expert advisor to the Algomojo platform. So let me tell you how to connect it. I'm going to take a sample Metatrader expert advisor here. So let me go back to the Metatrader advisor. So right now what we are going to look in this section is that we are going to look into the third and fourth part, like how to open the expert advisor and how to configure the MQL files, and how to configure the expert advisor so that automated orders will be sent from MT4 to the Algomojo platform to your broker account.